Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. Alright, so today I have a really quick mod that I'm gonna do, just simple and easy. And I have to go to work, so I wanted to just do this video real quick and get out the way because the mod I'm doing is such easy. It doesn't even take 5 minutes to do. It takes like less than 2 minutes, I would say. But I got a E90 performance shift knot. Shout out to Caitlin, thank you very much. I love you so much for giving me this as a Christmas gift. So let's get right into this because I know you guys just want to see this mod, not hear me talk. So let's go. Alright, so I already opened the box because I didn't want to waste time, but man, look at that. This looks so amazing, and when I open it, I'm like, yo, this is made of really good quality. It has Alcantara right here in the front, and there's leather right here, and with the chrome right here. It looks so much better. Look at that. You can't tell me that this is so much better. I mean, this is cool too. And especially if you mod this and wrap this in black or paint it black, whatever the case is, or put carbon fiber. But this right here is like, it's so much better. And it's more, has more grip to it. And overall, it's just a big upgrade from this. So let's get right into this install and get this out the way so I can head to work and get you guys on your way as well. Okay, so I have my car on. I'm gonna shut this off. So I've seen a few people do this mod. You can either put it in park or put it in drive and hold the not the E. You can put the e-brake up, but you can hold your foot down on the brake. But I'm just gonna put it in park because I've seen some people do it while it was in park. So what you want to do is just you can use two hands or you use one hand, but I prefer using. I advise you do use two hands to take this off because it's a little hard to get off. And then this comes right off, and then what you do is you put this one. You slide it right in place where this one was. Alright, so as you can see, it's on there. Pretty much what I explained. You take that one off, use two hands. It was pretty easy to take off of mine, which is a lot better. I didn't have to hit myself in the face with this shit. But you just pull this off, pull that off two hands, and you just place this down. Wait. I can't talk today. Oh my god, because I'm trying to rush. You just place this one right where this one was, just slide it down, ease it down, and then you just give it a little whack. Boom, and then it should be good to go. So I'm gonna turn the car on, and then we're gonna test it out. Make sure all the gears work. Boom. Boom, put in drive, back up, revert, neutral, reverse, park. Oh wait, hold on, go there. Yo, this feels really good, man. Like, it's so much more grip to it. It feels a lot better. Like, bro, you cannot go wrong with this. Please, I advise you to get this. All right, so that's pretty much it for today's install. It was really quick and easy, as I just said. If you do get this, I think they got this from eBay, but you can also get it off of ECS Tuning. Oh my god, ECS Tuning. You can get it from Keys Motorsports, eBay, Amazon. And if you find somebody else that's buying it for, well, not buying it but selling it for cheap, buy it off them. But this costed roughly around $85 to $100, but I honestly don't think it's worth like that much. Maybe like 65 or 70, 75 even the highest. Change this OEM shifter out and get yourself this performance shift knob. You will love it. It's very high quality, and I highly advise that you get it. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh wait, before I forget, I got another mod right there, and you can guess what it's for. It's for the rear. I had it on there before, but some idiot on a dirt bike on the street trying to turn on my left side hit the back of my car and messed up my tail light and cracked the trunk spoiler. That's what that is, and I had to buy a new one, but it's there. It's snowing outside, as you can see, so I'm gonna wait until it gets warm out to put that on, or I can just use a heat gun, but I'd rather just use the sun's heat and all the other stuff and have the car naturally be hot outside to put that on. But again, if you're new here, please subscribe. I make content every now and then, you know, try to put out content for you guys as much as possible. Whenever I have stuff like this available to mod my car so you guys can see it. you won't regret it, you know. But again, thanks for tuning in. I see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Love you guys. Stay safe out here. 2022, we gonna make big things happen. Big things happen. Peace.